In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix Scotiabank balance not loading or account not showing properly. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent the Scotiabank app from loading account information correctly. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data, then refresh the app or web page. If that does not help, completely close the Scotiabank app and reopen it, or sign out and sign back into your account. Next, make sure the Scotiabank app is updated to its latest version. To check that, launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app. Once app appears, if you see the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Another possible cause is temporary maintenance or server issues on Scotiabank's site. To check that, launch your preferred browser. Now type in Scotiabank server status. Navigate to the website down detector. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be resolved from their end. You can also try restarting your device. This refreshes system processes and can resolve temporary glitches that prevent account information from loading correctly. If the issue persists, uninstall and reinstall the Scotiabank app to clear any corrupted app data. Finally, verify that your account is active and that there are no security holds or restrictions affecting access. If your balances and account details still are not displaying properly after trying these steps, contact Scotiabank support for further assistance. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.